In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Semrush affiliate program. First of all, open any browser and log into your Semrush account. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Affiliate Program under More Tools. Here, click on Apply Now. After that, you have to click on Sign Up. On the Semrush Contract Terms page, scroll down and click on Accept. Now click on Sign Up with Email. Here, enter your first and last name, username, email address, password, mobile number. After providing all the necessary information, click on Get Started. A verification code will be sent on your email. Enter it here and click on Verify. Then your account will be signed up. Next, you have to choose your business model. I will choose Creator. After selecting the business model, click on Continue. Now choose the method you want to use for promotion. You can choose either of these. I will select Add Social. Then you have to choose any social media platform. I will select Instagram. Here click on Continue as Tutorial or whatever your name is. Then you will see that your account has been linked. Click on Continue. On the next page, you have to provide the required information. After that, click on Submit to continue further.